Hi there, this is Raksha from Calilio, and in this video, I'll explore the message scheduling feature. With Calilio's scheduling feature, you don't need to be online to send messages at the right moment. This is especially useful for sending reminders, follow-ups, or messages across different time zones. The best part, you have full control. You can choose from preset times or set your own custom schedule. Now let's walk through the setup step by step. Navigate to the left panel on your Calilio dashboard. Select the number using which you want to schedule and send the message. Now search the conversation or the contact to which you want to schedule and send a message. Now type out the message you want to schedule and send. Once you've typed out the message, click on this arrow. You can pick a given time after which to send a message or set up your own custom time. You can also set the date as well as the time. Once you've selected the time, click on OK. After that, click on Schedule Message. Your message is now scheduled as notified by the system and will be sent on the time and date that you choose. You can see your scheduled messages by clicking on the See Scheduled Message link. Here, you can also edit the message by clicking on this 3 dots button. You can also choose to send the message right away or delete the message altogether. Let's delve further into the edit message feature. For that, click on the edit message button. Here, you will see the message and will be allowed to edit it. Tweak the message as per your requirements. You can also add images and emojis from your computer while editing. You can also add a voice note by clicking on this button while editing. Then you can edit the date and the time. After you've made all the edits, click on update message. And that's it. At the selected time, the system will now automatically deliver the message to your recipient. No extra action needed from you. Scheduling gives you more flexibility and peace of mind. You can plan messages around business hours or events. You'll avoid sending late night texts that may feel unprofessional. And for teams, it ensures timely communication without needing someone online 24/7. And that's how simple it is to schedule a message in Calilio. If you need any help, contact our support team via the live chat box. Our team is available 24/7. Thanks for watching.